Hey, wanted to show you guys real quick how I attached a cafe seat, or kind of or I shouldn't say a cafe seat, a scrambler style seat to a cb175 that I'm currently building out. This cb175, I kind of built it from a bucket of parts that we've got going on. You can kind of see it all on the basement floor and all that stuff that I've got going on here. Trying to put everything together, but wanted to show you guys how I kind of solutioned to come up with the seat attachment in a way that should work for most people, not just for anybody with a cb175. So it's just a generic, it's kind of a generic seat that I bought it from 4-into-1. I'm sure you can, I'm sure there's similar seats that are on eBay and everything else. And what you see is the seats come with these little clamps that are down here that I'll show you in a quick second. And what's cool about the CB frame is that there is already a bolt attachment right in the frame for this. So let me get the other side here. So if I pull it out, see, it's just a basic seat that's here, right? It's got the clamps. And so what I did is I took the clamps, I just put them in a vise and I flattened them out, right? And I still need to cut the edge of them off right here. I don't need this screw bolt hole, so I'll cut them off later on. But I wanted to show you how I did this. So these clamps come right down. Oh, there's my finger. These clamps come right down. Hold on. It's hard to do it with one hand. There we go. So these bolt holes come right down in. They line right up with the frame. Boom, they go right in. Now, as far as locking the front part of the seat up. So the seat has that little tongue, that hole right there. All I did is I took a 6-inch stainless steel bolt, drilled it right through the frame, right through either side. And basically when you put the seat in, it goes right underneath, clamps right here, and then it stays in place with the bolts that are there. So it worked really well for me, putting it on. Hopefully it works well for you guys. Hopefully I'll have some other tips and tricks as I'm going through this whole thing.